Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to lock a fillable text field and protect from editing using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file with PDF-XChange Editor. This is a fillable PDF from, and now select this form option, this fillable, and select field and click on this fillable field and see this field now editable. You can modify and move anywhere. I'll stop this one for editing. Now press right button and select properties option, and this properties dialog box right side open already. Now select this lock option and select yes and activate it. Now see this, you cannot select or edit. Also you can edit this one. See this. Also I'll lock this one properties option and selected yes. That's this one also you can edit. This you can edit. Now select this file option, save or save as a fillable PDF from. If you want unlock, similar way, select here no option. This one also select top. Now you can edit both of them. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comments.